house with a big red door lived a cat and a mouse who loved to explore. Tom the cat with whiskers wide, and Jerry the mouse who loved to hide. Every morning with the sun so bright, their funny chase would start just right. Tom would sneak on tippy-toe, Jerry would whisper, "Too slow." "Tom, too slow." Through the kitchen, past the chair, over the table and into the air. Crash went dishes, bang went a pan. Jerry laughed, "Catch me if you can." Tom would slide across the floor, Jerry would slip behind the door. Up the clock and down the wall, Tom would trip and take a fall. Sometimes Tom would make a plan with traps and cheese and a tiny can. But clever Jerry, small and quick, always knew Tom's every trick. They raced through halls and climbed the stairs, knocking over books and chairs. Round and round the house they'd go, fast as wind and quick as snow. But when the night was calm and deep and all the house had gone to sleep, Tom would yawn and Jerry too. Their wild chase would finally be through. Tom would rest beside the mat, Jerry nearby, imagine that. Though they chased the whole day through, maybe they were friends, just a few. And when the morning sun would rise with sleepy smiles and sparkling eyes, the chase would start again with cheer. Tom and Jerry, year by year.